This is a tutorial on my 3-color, no outline style piece. Here I'll show you how I create a dirty, yet consistent style influenced by Cholo Graffiti blended by 3 colors that will make the wall pop, whether it be in VR or in real life. Remember to space your letters out. Then tag your name lightly with a thicker cap to structure the piece. Spray control is necessary here to understand thick to thin in terms of letter structure. Use a darker color to add depth to your tag. It's crucial to be random and aggressive while still following the flow of the letter. Be wild, but not too wild. In the parameters of this style, the thickest parts will be further away from the tails, like a basic flare but with both more structure and randomness. Find a lighter shade of a close color. In my case, pink or blue will work perfectly. From here, the same rules apply with reduced thickness, a little more sharpness and random dots. So stay consistent but still allow the base color to overwhelm the surrounding portion of the piece. For the defining color, you can use white, but I chose a really light pink tone. If you want to do this style back to front in color scheme, then feel free to use black or a dark color closer to your color scheme. With the lightest color, you use the thinnest cap. Be random and wild while still following the shape of your letters. Dots and flares aid in insinuating definition in your structure. At this point, I made a mistake. All you needed to do is find the color you were using and make some corrections. These corrections in another context help sharpen up lines called cutbacks. I will show more examples in my next video. Without more to say about this part of the process, I want to convey how important it is to have fun and be happy with the mistakes you make. Every writer makes mistakes, or does something they wish they did better. Enjoy the learning curve and don't try to fast-track your way to artistic success. Practice makes perfect, even though none of us are. Don't forget to sign off. Hope you enjoyed this video and comment whether you want to see more in different styles or have any suggestions. This is my first video, so any feedback is good feedback.